Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you today? Today is Wednesday. Let's say hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you great? Wonderful. How are you today? And what about the weather? How is the weather today? Mr. Weatherman, how is it today? How is it today? Is today a cold day? Is today a cold day? Is it cold today? No, not today, not today. Mr. Weatherman, how is it today? How is it today? Is today a rainy day? Is today a rainy day? Is it raining today? No, not today, not today. Mr. Weatherman, how is it today? How is it today? Is today a sunny day? Is today a sunny day? Is it sunny today? Yes, it's sunny today. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Now it's activity time. Let's review farm animals. Are you ready? Today we will listen to a story about farm animals.
Hello friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about farm animals! It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow! Cow! I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow! I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse! Horse! Horses are really fast. Horse! Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep! Sheep! This sheep is so soft. Sheep! Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen! Hen! Hens lay eggs. Hen! Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit! Rabbit! I love rabbit ears. Rabbit! There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there. It's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.
Did you like the video? Can you tell me one animal that you like the most? Which one is your favorite farm animal? Make a video, tell teacher. Okay, I will wait for your answer. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.